Alright folks, here's my Blue Jays. What I got. It's the box I'm checking. It's going to Mexico. Rookies, a lot of pet borders. And dead spray. Pet borders. Semi-stars. McGriffs. Carlos Delgado. Joe Carter. Olerud. George Bell. A gold card of Guzman. Here's my Hall of Fame. Alomar. Winfield. Tony Gwynn snuck in there. Alomar trio. Ricky Henderson. Roberto Alomar again. Another Ricky Henderson. Paul Molitor. Behind him is Jack Morris. We have another Roberto Alomar. Some of these I don't have, never got them. Fred McGriff, I believe that's his rookie card. Soon to be Hall of Famer, Fred McGriff, hopefully soon. This is his score 89. Let's see here. 88. I'm still in high school. This is the super shortstops, Ripken, Fernandez, Trammell, and Cal Rip. And you got 2 out of 3 Hall of Famers. And poor Tony Fernandez, may he rest in peace. Then you have your Baerga and your Roberto Alomar headline stars. What do we have here? Roberto Alomar, David Winfield, Paul Molitor again, another Molitor, Jack Morris, Roberto Alomar gold, Roberto Alomar. These I never would have collected, but they're in this box that I got with along all the other boxes and all my other videos. And Alomar. And these are the ones I'll try to go for the mail. Mark Whitten, Turner, Gott, Cito Gaston, Pat Borders. I'll try him again. And Ed Sprague. I've had success in the past. So, that's my Blue Jays. So I will now work on this Philly box. Let me videotape this. And here's what's in there so far. And we'll get to it and break it down. Thanks for watching.